Bum, bum, bum.
Okay, something very exciting today. Another box from Strange Cat Toys, which I love. How cute. They get me into trouble, or us into trouble, because they always have awesome things. But this one was amazing. It's an Unbox Industry release. Also with Mutant Vinyl Hardcore. It's the Neo Lash Chrome Face edition.
And one of my favorite films.
Woo! I know there's several variations. I think there's the Italian and there's also the Japanese. Like that.
This one is the...
We'll show the front box, side box.
Here he is. Doesn't even say demons on the box, does it?
No, I think it's a...
If you saw that in the store, you wouldn't have a clue, would you?
Not unless you're a Sofubi collector or you like Japanese and you love Mutant Vinyl Hardcore.
It's the top. Anything on the top?
Mutant Vinyl Hardcore Company, Unbox Industries. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that.
Okay.
So, I always try to keep the boxes nice. I don't want to... Let me see if I can... Nope, I'll do it from the... It says...
Bum 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 bum. That's supposed to be the Demon's tune. If you
trying to see where I can put them.
There we are, the 80s classic.
He's already backwards, so we'll flip him over.
Look at that.
He's big. Ooh, he's so pretty.
How cool is that?
Okay, let's take off his... Let's go ahead and pull him out. I love the way Unbox and all them they do. When they do the chromes, I love the chromes. So this... Oh, there we go.
There's a Demon's logo from the movie.
Let's see if you have... I mean, sometimes they stick, so I don't know if it moves completely, but... So, he doesn't have a full chrome head. Oh, because it's a mask.
Yeah.
See, which is cute.
Try the mask on if you go to the
so he has a
movie theater.
Cute tail. Little spiky double tail. This is all nice. I don't think it's fully... Oh, yeah, you can see like it's a soft glitter. Even though these look like they're...
How cool is his mask there?
I know, it looks so good. And the feet... So you have the Unbox, and then you have the Mutant Vinyl Hardcore. I'm not sure if the mask is removable. I don't think so. I'm just gonna try. Okay, don't try. I think he has a little bit of articulation, but on most Sofubi and stuff like that, sometimes you gotta kind of work at it. But he's been in transit, so adorable. Super cool. He's a little buff. I'll just clean him up a little bit.
What the hell happened to Rosemary?
Super cool. Lovely addition.
That sparkle, yeah.
Woo.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Short and sweet for a change.